Hi guys, and happy Sunday. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I just wanted to help you get started with your week by giving you your weekday forecast. Now, I want to focus on two different things. The first being that there is a system behind Winter Storm Hunter that could bring precipitation to your area. So be aware and stay tuned. Second being that I want to discuss what the temperatures are going to feel like going into next week. So, if you have any questions or comments, then leave a comment on my video. And if you want to hear more of my forecasts, subscribe to my channel. Here we are looking at our next system that can bring some precipitation. Here's this low pressure system sitting over the Great Lakes. This surface analysis map is valid at 7 a.m. on Monday morning. So this low pressure can bring snow likely for Michigan, down into Illinois, Indiana, and Western Ohio. Later on into the afternoon and evening, the system is moving along. This high pressure ridge is building in, bringing that cold Arctic air down from the north and pushing this low pressure system to the east. So there's a wide spread of areas that could be affected by snowfall as well as mixed precipitation. So in the north, the highlight region is some lake effect snow in the Great Lakes, and as we reach 7 p.m. on Tuesday evening, snow could be possible in eastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania, western New York, and even down into Kentucky. And the second part of the system is this messy part down in the south near Texas, Louisiana. Could all see some mixed precipitation 7 p.m. on Tuesday evening. And as we advance, this is valid at 7 a.m. on Tuesday, January 16th. This high pressure building in, pushing the system to the east, and this widespread band of snow is possible down in eastern Pennsylvania, central New York, even in portions of West Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee. You could all see some possible snow showers in your morning commute on Tuesday. And also some, again, that mixed precipitation, some ice possible in central Texas. And as we approach Tuesday evening, this system moves in, and those cold temperatures that I'll show you in a minute will creep on down to the south, and the system will produce some snow possible in central Maryland and also northern Virginia, and some mixed precipitation possible in North Carolina, South Carolina, down to the south. So keep an eye and an ear out for that with your local weather stations. Now, we talked about precipitation, but what is it going to feel like into next week? I talked about that high pressure system sitting over the central U.S. that's coming down and pushing that low pressure system to the east and bringing in that cool Arctic air. So this is 7 a.m. on Monday morning, and you can see the temperatures in the teens, in the below zero, negative 19, negative 17 for North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, even below zero in Iowa. And things are going to get cooler as we go into Tuesday. That cold air is creeping down a little bit to the south, in reaching into the southern states as well, and also into the northeast. And this is 7 a.m. on Tuesday morning. So Indiana, Ohio, Michigan, all seeing these low temperatures are hovering around zero in the teens and single digits. And even in our northeastern states, much of the temperatures are in the 20s, so fairly cool for your Tuesday. And as we approach to Wednesday, these temperatures, even in the south and Texas, are seeing temperatures in the 30s, the 20s and 30s, which is pretty cool for those states. So keep an eye out for that, and make sure you bring your coat with you when you go outside and stay warm.